Hello and welcome to this presentation. In this video, I will be explaining some important points that you need to note while designing an high-rise structure of this kind. This is a 25 floors commercial and residential structure, which simply means some floors are for residential purpose and also some of these floors are for commercial purpose successfully. Alright, so this project was actually modeled, analyzed and designed by one of our students by name Engineer Taiwo. Alright, and so I will be taking you some important notes in order for you to avoid unnecessary error and warning, maybe due to story draft limit, and as well axial load comparison check warning. Okay, so at first, when you are designing a 25th floor structure of this kind, you have to make sure that you use big data analysis. So you have to navigate to your loadings. So if you come over here, you see load cases and combination. Click right there to have the load combination editor. So you need to activate the apply P data analysis right there. Alright, very, very important. And this plays a major role. I did a focus on how to actually apply this. Okay, and this student was in that course successfully, and then he proceeded to take a live section, all right, on how to actually model, analyze, and design 26 floors successfully. All right, which he did, and here is the project that he has worked on successfully. All right, so having activated the big data analysis, if I should navigate to the story one, the plan view of that, you will notice that this is quite a massive structure. And then for you to be able to distribute load evenly on this structure, you have to divide this structure into 4 different parts. So if I zoom closer, you can see over here how the structure is being divided. So what you're seeing here is the expansion or the construction joint. All right. So this construction joint is to be bind at the foundations. Okay. So this has separated the structure into 4 different parts. So you can see the whole of here is a part, the whole of this side is a part, and this other side is a part, and then this is the 4th part of the structure, as this expansion just cut across this structure successfully. So once you do this, I tell you that Protastructure will be able to distribute load evenly, and then you will design all of the members in this structure successfully. But failure to have an expansion joint in a massive structure of this kind, because this is about 90 something meters by 100 something meters. Okay, so you have to have your expansion joint connecting the foundations up to the roof level. So as you can see, here is the expansion joint line right there. So this point is a very, very important point that you should note, okay, as a designer. The next point that you should also note is paying attention to the first floor or their basement. There is a video, okay, that I actually go live with that my student, which I will upload it in the next sections. Okay, the next upload will be that video. That video actually explains how you can actually anchor your beam at the basement, okay, that will not affect the subsequent elevations that you may generate successfully. Because during the modeling of an high-rise structure of this kind, you have to be careful at the first stage of your modeling. Because any mistake that you have at the first stage of your modeling, which is maybe at this basement, as you can see in this structure, we have the first segment of the basement and you have the second segment of the basement, meaning the whole of this provision is going to be inside of the earth, all right? And then here is where the first floor actually started, and then the second and the first segment of this basement are for the car park, all right? So all of these features have to be put into considerations at first, okay, while you are designing an high-rise structure. So I will be uploading the video where I went live with this my student, and then I was able to correct a lot of things in that video that helps him to actually actualize his modeling, analysis, and design of this structure successfully. All right, and so that is the next point. This other point is on your lift. All right, you are lift wall. So this you are lift wall. What you just have to do, it is fine. You grouped it. All right, so it's successfully because grouping your shower wall will make it to distribute load evenly for a proper design. All right. So I want to invite you to join our ongoing reinforced concrete and steel structure tall building design using this program, Protastructure. And I tell you, you will be able to learn the nitty-gritty both in the pile foundations of this kind of structure successfully. Like right away, we are on the pile foundation section of this project right away. Okay, so you will learn a lot if you join our ongoing training program. We are going to train you on all type of foundations in Protastructure, the wide strip foundation, the raft on beam foundation, the pile foundation, the pad foundations, right? The floating raft foundation successfully. So these are the things we are going to be covering. As we train so many of our students, some of them from South Africa, some of them from Kenya, some of them from Ghana, and then one of our students from US. Okay, so we have trained a lot of students and they are very happy. They are doing well even with the company they are actually working right away. Okay, and they are sending some testimony appreciation right across, but time will fail me to begin to show that to us right away. Okay, but just have to join this ongoing training on tall building design and all types of foundations in Protastructure, and then you will actually like the training program successfully. So I want to bring these presentations to a stop here. Okay, as I will post that video that actually explains a lot of corrections while designing an high-rise structure. I will post that video subsequently. So stay connected. Don't forget to like. Don't also forget to subscribe, as we will continue to bring to you more useful content of this kind. Stay safe and bye for now.